Hello, my name is Tressie George. I'm a Florida property damage attorney. Today I would like to chat with you about 3 things to know about insurance claim denials based upon no peril created openings. But before I get to that, if you know any homeowners, business owners, or property owners that would find this video useful, please share it with them. Okay, let's chat about 3 things to know about insurance claim denials based upon no peril created openings. Number 1, understand that insurance claims denied based upon no peril created openings generally means your insurance company is of the opinion that your damages were not caused by a storm-related event. This can include an opinion that your property's roof or exterior walls did not suffer wind damage. Number 2, just because your insurance company denied your claim based upon a no peril created opening argument does not mean you can't challenge their decision. And number 3, your insurance company could be wrong. So it's a good idea to get a second opinion from an expert such as a licensed general contractor or a professional engineer. Now, in the event you are dealing with a denied, delayed, or underpaid insurance claim and you would like to chat about the same, you can schedule a free consultation with me at TressieGeorge.com. And again, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video.